Hi, this is Chandrasekhar. Welcome to Mathchandra. 10th class polynomials లో భాగంగా చాప్టర్ 2 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2.2 లో ఫస్ట్ రోమన్ ఫైండ్ ద జీరోస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. Fourth problem 4u square plus 8u. The general form of the quadratic equation equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here x square coefficient is 4. X square coefficient equal to 4. That is a. X coefficient is this is u. Equal to 8. This is b. The constant term is 0. That is c. c equal to 0. Next 4u square plus 8u. Here 4u లో 4u ను కామన్ తీస్తే u plus 4 2 ja 8 4 2 ja 8 into u 8u 4 into u into u square 4u square. This is equal to 0. 4u equal to 0, u plus 2 equal to 0. 4u equal to 0, u equal to 0 by 4, u equal to 0, u equal to minus 2. 0 and minus 2 are the zeros of the quadratic equation f of u equal to 4u square plus 8u. Here alpha equal to 0, beta equal to minus 2. Sum of the zeros. The formula is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Here alpha equal to 0 plus beta equal to minus 2. Here b means minus 8. b means 8 minus 8 by a. Here a equal to 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 0 plus minus 2 equal to minus 2. Next, product of the zeros. That is alpha into beta equal to c by a. Here alpha equal to 0 into beta equal to minus 2 equal to c means that is 0. 0 by a means 4. 0 into minus 2 0. 0 by 4 equal to 0. This is the relation between zeros and the coefficients.